Hello everyone and welcome back to RubyBlytheNoir studio. Today is a very special day I've been waiting for because we're opening the box of the absolutely stunning doll from Ruby Red Fashion Friends. From the moment I saw her photos, I knew she was something special, and now she is finally here. Sitting inside this box is Amani, and honestly I think she already knows she is the star of the show. As you can see, the box Amani arrived are totally different from regular boxes Ruby Red Fashion Friends arrived. The box is pink color with the picture of the Amani on the top. So let's open her up and see if she is as fabulous in person as she is in the photos. There is a certificate of authenticity. This certificate warrants that your Ruby Red Fashion Friends Amani 2026 Special Edition is original and authentic. And as you can see, my Amani number 95 and only $300 in a world for this edition. As I know, limited edition dolls arrived with wick not glued on, so the company provides rubber band to put on a head to keep wick on the head of the doll. So there is a wick itself, the sandals, I think there is an outfit Amani will be wearing. Oh, I did not expect that, and this seems to be a jewelry box. I think the earrings inside this box. To remove all protection. The first things I notice is Amani beautiful deep espresso skin tone. It is very rich, radiant, and absolutely stunning. Look at these eyes. Amani eyes has a warm golden brown color that seems to sparkle when the light catches them. And look at these gold eyeliners. Your eyelashes long and very soft. Well, let's open Amani's outfit and dress her up. Amani will wear crisp white long sleeve shirt, like a blouse with the button. What I really like about it's how easy to unbutton it. I would like to show you all stitches. It's very well made from high quality fabric. It is cotton, and you can roll the sleeves. Summer outside, so it would be nice if Amani will wear a blouse like this. There is two sets of skirt. One is a simple silk skirt, and design of this skirt is remind me clothes that women in Africa wore, and there is the buttons that I really appreciate. Over the blouse, she will be wearing a dazzling sequin vest decorated with colorful floral details. It's also a button. Here is dramatic layered gray skirt, and it is simply breathtaking. I guess this flowing design will create movement and give Amani a high fashion silhouette. Every fold and layers adds elegance and will look her ready for a design fashion show. And look how nice it's made. It's lined and tiny stitches. Perfect. There is also two adorable sandals. They are black color. I found two socks that will not cover the toes of Amani. And I opened the wig and would like to show you that it's made very well, both inside and outside. The hair is full of soft natural curls that will frame Amani's face perfectly. I hope it will give her personality, elegance, and a little bit of attitude. So let's dress her up and see. I like it already. She looks adorable. It's simple and so sophisticated. It took me a little bit to put socks and shoes on Amani, and I noticed that she doesn't have a pedicure and there is no manicure either. That's a little bit surprised me, because I see Amani as very elegant and fashionable girl. Time to put wig on Amani. I hope it won't be a big challenge for me. On this side will be perfect. I put the wig on Amani, and right now she looks adorable. And now the time open jewelry box. Wow, there is 3 sets of earrings. So generous. Beautiful. This earring absolutely fabulous. They add glamour and sophistication, completing her fashion-forward appearance. They are bold without being overwhelming and suit her perfectly. Look how she looks right now. I've changed earrings on Amani, and these statement earrings are simply gorgeous. They are stylish, elegant, and complete her look beautifully. The more I look at her, the more details I discover. From her beautiful complexion and warm eyes to her curls, jewelry, and fashion, everything comes together perfectly. And let's be honest, I opened the box thinking I was reviewing Amani. Now I feel like Amani is reviewing me. Final verdict: elegant, unique, fashionable, capable of stealing the spotlight from every other doll on the shelf. Amani is absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy to welcome her to my collection. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing and fashion presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what is your favorite things about Amani: her eyes, curls, outfit, or that runaway attitude. Bye! See you next time!